Hey guys, good morning. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply for an EIN on the IRS website as an LLC, as a single member LLC. So I'm on irs.gov website, and in the top right corner, I'm going to search EIN. I'm going to apply for an EIN online. And something special to note is the hours of operation. You can only apply for an EIN online from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? And you are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day, okay? You need to understand the online application and submit your application. So we're going to go ahead and apply online now. And basically, you need to get it done in one sitting. If you stop for 15 minutes, you will be kicked out. So begin. And again, my business, I am a limited liability company that is registered with the state of California. So I'm going to be clicking LLC. And this just says what an LLC is and what it's not. Read through this on your own before clicking through, okay? I am not giving any legal advice in this video, just simply walking you through the process so you can see what it looks like before you get started. So again, I'm doing a single member LLC. So how many members? It's one. Where am I going to be located? California. Continue. This is just saying to confirm that I'm a single member LLC. Okay. I can change my tax structure to corp status or S corp status by filing these forms. For this business, I'm most likely going to file Form 2553 as an S Corp. So, but anyways, that's a different video, different topic, different time. Continue. So, why is the LLC requesting an EIN? Did we start a new business? Did we hire employees? Banking purposes? Did we change the type of organization? Changing from a sole proprietor to a partnership? Changing from or did we purchase an active business, right? So for this, we're going to started a new business. Again, this is personal information, so I'm filling mine out because you actually have to be real to move through these screens. And I'm an owner. I'm not a third party, so continue. Again, you have to use real information, so you will not be seeing my information. Okay. But this is the next screen that you have to get to. Continue. Again, more personal information. So I'm blocking it out. You can't use special characters. Okay, so tell us more about the LLC, right? Basically, this question is asking, do we own a big rig? No, our business doesn't. Does your business involve gambling or wagering? Mine doesn't, so no. Does your business need to file Form 720 for quarterly excise tax? These are very, very specific types of businesses. And I've never worked with a company that needs to do it. So if you want to know more about what these things are, just click them when you go through and you'll get a definition. So I'm clicking no. Does your business sell or manufacture alcohol, tobacco, or firearms? Yes, mine does. Okay, so do you have or do you expect to have any employees who will receive Forms W-2 in the next 12 months? I'm going to put yes because remember earlier how I said I'm going to file Form 2558 to become an S Corp? That means I'm going to be an employee of my LLC. So I'm going to put yes, and there's additional requirements if you have employees. So, because we anticipate to have at least one employee, we have to fill out this information. So, what is the date, the first date wages or annuities were or will be paid? I'm just going to pick the last quarter of the following year just to give myself time. Number of agriculture employees, I'm not going to have any. I'm going to have one regular employee. Okay, so do you expect your employment tax liability to be 1,000 or less? How do you know? So basically, if you anticipate your employment wages to be less than $4,000 for the year, then more likely than not, your employment tax liability is going to be $1,000 or less. Okay. And if you don't know how many employees you anticipate to have, just put at least one. Okay. Okay, so next, what does your business or organization do? We are in retail, but you could be in accommodations, construction, finance, food service, healthcare, insurance, manufacturing, real estate, and all these different things. So, whatever it is you do, make your selection and continue. So, obviously, I picked retail. Whatever you picked, I'm sure there will be follow-up questions for that area of business. So fill this out and then hit continue. So once you enter that information, you're going to get to the summary of your information. And after this is going to ask you to confirm everything. And once you hit submit, it's permanent. Okay. So there we are. Congratulations. I now have an EIN and a letter. So you found this information helpful, and you see really how easy it is. You really don't need someone else to do this for you. I mean, if you don't have time to do it because you're opening so many businesses or you just don't care to do it, then fine. But for people who don't want to spend hundreds of extra dollars for something they can do themselves that takes literally a few minutes, this video is for you. Have a good one.